Good morning. Well, I wanted to show you a couple of kits that I got, and I want to give you a heads up because they're two different kits, but they're basically the same kit with just a little bit of added stuff. So here we've got the German Infantry and Gas Mask 1918, kit number 35695. And that's what I was originally looking for was, the German World War I figures in gas masks. And that's what I have here. Then after that, I was like, well, I want some more figures that don't have to be in gas masks. And then I got this kit number 35692, German Sturmtruppen, and 1918 as well. And it wasn't until I saw them, once I got them, that I noticed that guy looks awfully familiar to that guy. And then I started looking at the other guys, and they're the same too. So the figures in both kits are the same figures. They just show them in different poses, except for the center guy, on the artwork on the front. And to confirm it, I pulled them out of the bags and stuff. And yeah, they're the exact same kit. All the figures are the same. All the tools and combat equipment's the same, for both kits. It's just that the one with gas masks comes with extra heads with gas masks. So it's not a big deal for me because I'm going to use both kits, and, you can kind of configure them to make them look different and stuff like that. But I thought it would be nice to show you, if you're looking for, 8 unique figures, you're not going to get it by buying these two kits in combination because they do use the exact same sprues for the figures. So just kind of a heads up. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will use both these, and I love ICM because they do have great figures, in my opinion. But I just want to kind of give you that heads up. Hope you have a great day. We'll see ya.